We don't really know how much ice there is, but there's enough to hold Ada. It was 10 degrees last night, and that is pretty darn cold for this time of year. There's a little bit of skim of ice forming along the shoreline there, and it is dead calm out. We got 2 winter storms coming at us now. What month is it? Tonight, I guess tonight, which is Tuesday night into Wednesday, we're looking at 2 to 4 inches of snow, maybe. A lot of uncertainty there. It looks like the cities everywhere south of us is going to get way more snow. But then Thursday night, it looks like a possibility of 6 or more inches of snow. So we'll see what happens. This is turning into a pretty crazy early winter. If this sticks, this is going to be one for the record books, that's for sure. Well, with the winter storms, they're supposed to hit us tonight and then Thursday night. It is time to take the docks and the last motorboat out and say goodbye to the open water season. We're anchored. The next dock by cabins 5 and 6. This one is a little harder to take out. It's a little heavier. Dock number 2, anchored out. Well, it is Wednesday, the 21st of October, and winter storm number 1 has come and gone, and we didn't get much snow. Maybe a couple inches of snow. You can see here on top of maybe the inch or 2 that we already had. Burning a little brush. Winter storm number 2 has come and gone, and we got maybe an inch or 2 of snow. Not much. was wet and heavy and it just settled down. So this is what it looks like. Not an impressive storm, but when you consider that it is October 23rd, not too bad. Sunday, October 25th, and we're gonna do a little ice check on October 25th. Good grief. This is Cross Bay. Not much has changed since a week ago. It was iced over last Sunday, and it still is iced over. And the fox has been running around out there. All right, Ada, test the ice, walk out there.
What will you do if I fall in?
Laugh.
Make me a hot chocolate.
I'll make you hot chocolate after I laugh. Look at that. Oh, careful out there. Come on. Here's a lake that we don't see very much. Little Iron. It's one of the lakes that you drive right by on your left if you once you go past the mid-trail area. It's just a tiny little lake, but it's been frozen over for a week, and it continues to be frozen over. I'm not going to be walking out there, but a lot of ice for the end of October. This guy just landed on me. I feel like he's had a free handout before. Get out of here. This is Iron Lake. Can't see this one from the Gunflint Trail. And there's a skim of ice out here, but not much. It's kind of probably hard to see on the camera. There's some ice right here, but this is open. Down at Poplar. And surprise, surprise, it's not frozen over. But there's a little skim of ice kind of starting from here, going all the way down to the narrows down there. Just a little skim of ice. Driving into the parking lot of Poplar. We'll see if there's any cars here doing late season trips. There are not. There are no cars here.
Going cross country too.
People are ripping around on four-wheelers. So there's no cars here. There's no cars across. There's no cars at Round. I'd say that canoeing season is pretty much over.